Hey everybody, welcome back to Conscientious Omnivore. My name is Pal. Out here in the garden today, going to be planting a couple of fruit trees. My brother hooked me up with some apricot trees, and I'm going to be planting them. I figured there's a good opportunity to get some shade over these rhubarb plants, which have been really struggling, barely just staying alive over the past couple of years. I think I put them in a way too sunny spot, so eventually I need to get some shade on them anyway. I've already transplanted some rhubarb to a shady part of the mulch bed where we have the tomatoes and stuff going, so that's good. You can see the rhubarb is already coming up here for the spring. We actually had some snow this morning, which is kind of ridiculous. It has since melted. But anyway, I'm going to clean this up a little bit. I need to do some weeding anyway, and I'm going to plant at least one of the trees here. I don't want to get too close, but we've got the blueberry bushes here. I think maybe somewhere in here would be pretty okay, kind of in the front here, I think. And then plant another one over there. I don't want to get too close to this little sour cherry here. Maybe I'll even go past it. I'll go over that way. We'll see. But I'm going to clean this up, and then I'll show you guys the trees when they're planted. Get some fresh mulch on them too. So I was pretty short on time today. I have to get going really soon. But I was able to weed out kind of a good area here. Not super thorough, but pretty good. You can definitely see the rhubarb a lot better now. There's a little guy back there, another one back over there, and here and here. And I planted one of the apricots here. I've just finished watering it. I'm going to give it some more water actually. And I've got a bunch of the mulch. You may remember a while back I did a video about a new, well, new to us machine that we got for making our own mulch. Check that out if you haven't seen it. And I'm going to put some of that liberally over here, as well as around the other tree, which I planted over there. I figured this should be enough space between the trees, between the sour cherry here and the apricots. And basically that is our southern direction, so most of the sun will come this way. That tree should shade out some of those plants here. This one will be more kind of for the rhubarb and the blueberries here, but I didn't want to move that way too much. And we already have some small sour cherries kind of coming up over here as well. I might actually move some of those to other places in the property, but I'm not even sure yet. And we already have a bunch of raspberries going into different places, so we should have some, you know, doing much better this year. And we should be here on the property a lot more often, so I should be able to keep things watered a lot better. Sorry for the dogs barking in the neighborhood, but yeah, hopefully you guys heard everything. I'm going to just finish watering this and getting it mulched up, and I'll show it to you guys when it's done with that one as well. And that'll be the end of the video. I'll show it to you in a second. So that's it. Just wanted to show you guys some wild tulips growing up here as well. Should get a few nice flowers from there pretty soon. But anyway, that's, oh, I stepped on this one, looks like. Anyway, that's what it looks like here. You can see a tulip there on the side, rhubarb over there. Should be pretty good. A lot of this mulch will break down pretty quick. I had that area behind it mulched pretty well, but most of it's kind of broken down already. I need to add more. So I need to get back to making more mulch. You can see the other tree over here. Got it mulched up as well. We'll see what the growing season brings, but I'm hopeful as always, and still learning, very much so. I always feel like I'm still kind of just at the beginning of the journey. That's why I'm always encouraging everybody to get out there and start gardening for yourself. You probably know as much as I do. Or, you know, if I'm a little bit ahead of somebody, that's okay. It didn't take me much time to learn what I know so far, and I still have a lot to learn. But I think once you're doing it, it's just easier and easier to pick up new things and get more excited about it, share plants with people, share fruit with people, you know, share food and produce with whatever you're growing, with your family, loved ones, and it's just a great thing to do. So hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please do give it a thumbs up. That helps me out. And make sure to subscribe if you're not signed up. And thanks everybody for your support. I have a lot of new subscribers. It's really cool. Very excited. I should hopefully be crossing that 2,000 subscriber threshold pretty soon. I'm very excited about that. Many years ago when I started the channel, that was kind of a long off dream. It was couldn't even believe that I hit 1,000. So it's really cool. Thanks everybody for your support, and see you in another video soon. Bye.